Hey, it's Gio. Welcome to Planet Cook It. I'm gonna make a burrito today, vegan burrito. Let's do this. Let's start with grilling some veggies. So, I already diced some peppers for y'all. I'm gonna add a little bit of vegetable cooking oil. Let's get those veggies up in there. I wanna saute them pretty well. I like my veggies a little crispy. You can do it lighter if you like. I'm gonna add some serrano chilies. This is a spicy chili. So for you people who don't like spice, that's fine. Use a jalapeno. Don't use anything if you don't like spice at all. I like spice, so I'm gonna add these up in here too. And you know, be careful when you're around spicy chilies, because you touch them, you go use the bathroom, bad things can happen. I've been there, I've done that. We're gonna actually add a little bit of tomato. We are using fresh tomato in this recipe, but I grill it with the tomato for flavor. Let's get our, stir that up. Salt, we use pink salt because we're bougie around here. We don't know what else to use really. I don't even know if regular salt exists anymore. All right, now, let those simmer a bit. As you can see, I got some simmering going on. While that's going on, I already opened a can of beans. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna mix these can of beans right in. Stir that up for a bit. Now I can just let this rest. And then we're gonna let the water dehydrate from the pot, let those flavors absorb, let them cook right in there. Now I'm just gonna flavor them a little bit more. I already added my salt and pepper. Gonna add a little bit of paprika. Garlic powder. Garlic powder. It just makes things smell better. I don't know. It's garlic. Garlic scares vampires. Chili powder. Can't forget about the chili powder. As you can see, I'm getting a little color change, a little more reddish flavor to it. Oh yeah, it's looking good. It's smelling good. I'm gonna lower the heat a little bit, just so they can simmer kind of slow. And we're gonna start our box rice. I'm a professional. I know what I'm doing. I hope. It's not what's in the box that matters. It's what comes out. While we're waiting for that to boil and heat up, we can go ahead and start our cabbage. Cabbage, real simple, real easy. I'm literally just squeezing a lemon in here. Oh, look at that drip, that acidity. I don't want to get that in my eyes or on any cuts. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and you mix. Now, the lemon juice will break the cabbage down a little bit. And that's gonna literally cook on its own. It's like ceviche, but it's not. It's cabbage, so there's that. We are gonna make a special sour cream. Now, I don't care how you do your sour cream. If you wanna do it basic, do it basic. I am using the Tofutti brand of sour cream, Hello Tofutti, and we're just gonna mix a little extra flavor in it. Pop that right in there. Now, I have these Pasilla Seco chilies. I actually put these in some water, hot water, so they're kind of really filled up. There's a lot of flavor in these. So I'm literally just gonna squeeze that flavor right onto that sour cream. Add a little bit of pepper, a little bit of paprika, and stir. So as you can see, our cream is mixing up really well. It's getting a tannish color almost, that nice little creamier color. Now, while I'm mixing this up, I'm gonna answer a question from Johnny from Wisconsin. He was asking what makes a vegan sour cream? Soybeans. I personally don't know the exact process, but yeah, soy protein is made of soybeans, okay? We got that straight. And they just do something magical with the soybean to make it into this. Now that we have our rice going for a little bit, it's softening up a bit. It's not quite there, but it's getting there. I'm gonna add my little teaspoon of oil. There we go. And then we're gonna add our seasoning packet. I'm just gonna throw that right in. As you can see, this rice is cooking up. I am going to go ahead and explain a little bit about the burrito that I'm making. So this burrito is going to be a layered burrito. It's going to have rice, it's going to have beans, it's going to have tomatoes, it's going to have cabbage, it's going to have vegan cheese. I brought, follow your heart, mozzarella, and I brought some aged nut cheese, my first time trying this one, so we'll see how it goes. It's gonna be a complete burrito. I don't want to. If you guys want a basic burrito, bean rice, vegan cheese. That's all you need. But if you want Gio's burrito, you just gotta go crazy a little bit. You just gotta go a little something to it. Get that cilantro going in there. See that color? See that color? Just bringing out more green, more verde. All right, well, I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. Let this simmer. We're gonna let that simmer a little bit. I turn it down to about 260, and we're just gonna let that go for a little bit, and then we're gonna heat up our burrito on top of this bad boy. Let's go. All right, now that I put my pan on top of my pan, and the reason we're doing this, y'all, is because right now, you know what I can use this pan for? To soften the tortilla. Now, why do you want to soften the tortilla? Because if you try to close it, you know, it just breaks. You don't want that. So this is literally gonna soften the tortilla while acting as a top for this other pan that's cooking the rice that we have. It's beautiful things. I don't know. I just brought a little ingenious skill to this. You ever see those like people in those kitchens? They like to flip it all types of crazy, acting like they're dealing with the pizza. I can't do none of that. My tortilla's looking nice and soft, y'all. Fold that up, reverse that. Rice is looking finished. We're good to go. Let's make this burrito. Now it's time to roll a burrito. Let's put in our ingredients. I pre-cut an avocado in half. Let me just do a few slices in the avocado for you. And we're just gonna grab a spoon, scoop out those slices. Oh yeah, see that? See that scoop? Ugh, done with that. All right, so I got my tortilla. First, I like to do the beans. This is like the meat. It's meat, but it's not meat. It's beans, the meat of the earth. Oh yeah, get that rice going in there. Few of these avocados. All right. Get your cabbage in there. Get your tomatoes. If you want to add a little more spice, don't be afraid. Add a couple of serrano chili. Doesn't have to be a lot. And oh, sour cream mix. Can't forget about that. Just go ahead and drizzle that slowly. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff right there. Ooh, look at that. Now, I don't know which cheese I'm gonna add, so I'm gonna add both. We're dangerous. We like to take chances around here. Queso, but not queso. Let's spread the peace, the love, the energy, the burritos. All right, now let's get to rolling this burrito. So I like to bring this all the center, just roll it up there. Nice little fat roll. And then you bring it over. Oh, nice little roll. Roll. Just gentle. It's a baby. Yeah. All right, now that we got our burrito nicely rolled, let's go ahead and get into that cutting. Burrito time. It looks good. Will it taste good? When you eat a beef burrito, chicken burrito, that's all you really taste. The beef, the chicken, whatever. When you're eating a vegan burrito, you're tasting a lot of different flavors. I packed these beans with flavor, y'all. I packed this rice with flavor. Actually, I just added cilantro, but it's still really good. This avocado, you get the tomatoes in there. I got the cabbage that I seasoned with salt, pepper, and lemon. It's amazing. It has so many flavors, so much complexity, so many textures. You can't go wrong with this. You're tasting a lot more than what you get out of a meat burrito. I like it. Will you? All right, that burrito was really good. I enjoyed it so much. Thank you for watching. I made it. I ate it. You're gonna cook it. You're gonna eat it. I enjoyed this time. I'm Gio, Planet Cook It. Let's do more stuff in the future, y'all. Hey, we're out here.